Hey guys, Brandon Spurlock here with LA Auto Sales in Lapeer, Michigan. Doing a video walk around today of this awesome 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500 with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel engine. Extra clean. Low miles. Spent the winters in the south. Original rockers and cab corners. No smokers. Drives near new. As you can see, there is absolutely no rust on this, no collision damage, no scratches or dents or dings. Frames extra clean, wheels and tires. That is a long bed. It's got the extended cab. Factory tow. It's got the fifth wheel hitch already installed, ready to tow. I do have the engine running right now. Tailpipe. Let's go check out the interior. Running boards. Cab corners, rockers clean. Interior like new. Very well maintained vehicle right here. Super clean, no odors. Gorgeous. Nice sounding factory stereo with factory speakers. 91,000 miles, low miles. No check engine light. Ice cold AC. Power locks, windows, mirrors. Clean glass all the way around, no cracks. Clean under the hood. There she is, listen to her run. Excellent condition on this one. Again, my name is Brandon Spurlock with LA Auto. Find me on the web, www.laautosalesLapeer. Give me a call, 810-660-8241. Thanks a lot. See you soon.